Now we will need a script for reset screen. But since how buttons work are the same, I will rename whole script into Scene Manager. Open it. And here we need to rename whole into Scene Manager. And here we copy this and paste. Start up play button, rename home button, and here home. Let's go back to Unity editor and click BTN home. And here drag button and drag it. And in function, Scene Manager, choose home button. And for BTN continues, it already added scene, we duplicate home. Now to show the player score, let's create new script and name it reset. Okay, we don't need this. We will need to access score dash, so public dash score dash. To use UI, we will need to access UI. Now we will need to know player score after gameplay. Go back to UI Manager. We need to access score from UI Manager. So here we'll create a variable int player score. As soon as reset screen stat white stat we will assign score from UI Manager into player score. Then we will show it in score dash. Score. The score is player score dash. Now let's go back to Unity editor. Drag reset and draw it in canvas. Here in score dash, drag score dash and draw it. Before we run, we need to know a condition that when the gameplay ends or when this reset screen load. So let's go back to the main screen. Here we give player 3 volume var. So my concept would be if these 3 var gone and after a few seconds, then I will show reset. Here I will destroy the volume var and subtract its scope when it hit these 2 and fall behind into this. We already have collider for these 2, so we need to create a collider for this VI. Now, right click, create empty collider and add pulse collider. Hide this temporarily. Then reset and arrange this collider behind this. Okay, after that, enable this bed. Now let's write some script. So, script right click, create script, and name it volume for behavior. After that, let's create a tag. Click and tag, add tag, and here plus hit and save and click again. Select this tree and here in tag select hit add. Now let's create a function void a collision under collision other we have a condition here if other dot gain object dot that is equal to hit end mean whenever a volume var collide with a gain object with that name hit end it will describe a gain object after 3.5 seconds and we will subtract the count from UI manager. Here I will also write a function on this line. Mean this function will work when the gain object is right. Here, what we're gonna do is if the count from UI manager less than equal 0, then we will show result screen. Since manager dot load since reset. Okay. And also whenever we start the game, we want to restart the player score and also count. Go to UI manager. And here void stat we will always reset score by 0 count by 3. Also we want to show reset when all players score 10. So copy this and go to UI manager. Here in add score if score greater than equal 10 we will load reset screen. And here we need to asset Unity engine dot since management and drag volume var behavior and draw into this and override apply all. Okay, and now let's test and run. Yay. Okay, this comes to the end of the course. Good luck everyone.